Good morning, dear children. Let us start with the next chapter from our GK syllabus, which is chapter 6, all about Punjab and Haryana. If you remember, in the last video, we discussed about the Union territories, and one of the Union territory was Chandigarh. What is speciality about Chandigarh? Yes, it is a capital of two different states, which are Punjab and Haryana. So in this chapter we will discuss about Punjab and Haryana in detail. If I tell you that before 1st November, yes, 1st November 1966, Punjab and Haryana was one single state. Will you believe me on that? Yes, you have to believe me. Why? Because on 1st November 1966, Punjab and Haryana got separated from each other and were made two different states, namely Punjab and Haryana. So can we conclude from this that Punjab and Haryana were created on 1st November 1966. 1st November 1966. Now we will discuss about Punjab and Haryana in detail. But before that, if I discuss where they are situated in northern India. If I try to draw the map of India, somewhere it looks like this. So can I say that northern part means this? So Punjab and Haryana are situated here, which is your northern part, Are we clear? So Punjab and Haryana are located in northern part of India. So let us study about these two states in detail one by one. So put the first thing, that is your Punjab, which is your Punjab. Now, Punjab again was created on 1st November 1966. It has how many districts? It has 22 districts. How many districts? 22 districts. If I talk about how many districts it has, 22 districts. Let us see these districts in detail. So here we have a map of Punjab. So can you see the 22 districts? We have Amritsar, Gurdaspur, Pathankot, Hoshiarpur, Kapurthala, Taran. If you remember, Kapurthala, even the trip, one of the trip, that was the science exhibition, the science city, Kapurthala. If you remember, we visited for an excursion to this place also. Yeah. Then Bathinda. So we have almost 22 districts in Punjab. So this is about the map of Punjab. Clear? Anyone with a doubt in this? Now, Punjab is known as the land of five rivers. It is known as the land of five rivers. We'll see how. Basically, if I segregate Punjab, so how we call it? It is like Punch, which means five, up means water. So it is a state or a land of five waters. Water here means rivers. Let us study. If I talk about that, in the Greek refer to a Punjab as Pentapotamia. What is Pentapotamia? Pentapotamia basically means a island delta. If you remember, delta, a land in between the rivers or ocean or a sea. Now it is said to be conversing by five rivers. What do you mean by conversing? Conversing means five rivers approaching towards same place. Are we clear? And these five rivers are Satluj, Ravi, Beas, not Bias, it's Beas, it's Chenab, and it's last river, last but not the least, it's Jhelum. Clear? So five rivers are Satluj, Ravi, Beas, Chenab, and Jhelum. Are we clear? So hence the Punjab, a land of five rivers. Clear with this? Anyone with a doubt in this? Now it's the holiest shrines. Basically, holiest shrine means a place, a holiest place, a beautiful place, that is Harmandir Sahib, which is also known as Golden Temple. Yeah, is in Amritsar, which everyone knows about it. The five taks, very important. We have to study what are taks. I think who are six, they know about this, that what are their five taks. Basically, what are taks? Taks are seat authority. It's a seat authority, or I can say it's like a throne, like for a king. But in six, it's basically these five taks are gurudwaras, which are situated at different place. We'll see these places through a map. So this is the map where these five takhts are located. Three takhts are located in Punjab only. One is situated in Patna and other is situated in Nanded. So Amritsar, Akal Takht Amritsar, Takht Shri Patna Sahib, which is situated in Patna, Takht Shri Keshgarh Sahib near Chandigarh, which is also known as Anandpur Sahib, Takht Shri Damdama Sahib Bhatinda, Takht Shri Hazur Sahib Nanded. So please note down this. The three are given in your book. Please note down the two others which are located. One is in Patna and other is in Nanded. Please note down this. This is very important. Clear with this? Next, Amritsar in India attracts. Okay, Amritsar in India attracts most of the tourists than Taj Mahal. You know that Taj Mahal is UNESCO heritage site, but still Amritsar attracts the maximum of Indians. Yeah, Punjab is called the Granary of India. Very important. What do you mean by the word granary? If I talk about the granary, what are granaries? Granaries are large buildings. So basically, they are large buildings where large building, and you can simply guess from the word granary also, these large buildings are used for storing grains. If you visit railway stations, you're near railway stations only, you will see the big stores, the large buildings, those are granaries, right? And even Punjab is known as the bread basket of India. Bread basket, why? Because wheat production is maximum, and hence wheat basically made up of bread is basically made up of wheat. That is why it's known as bread basket of India. Next, very important, the milk processing. Okay, next point, the milk processing plant at Moga, Amritsar, is the largest in Punjab with the processing capacity of, please, capacity, understand the capacity, it's 4 lakh 35,000 liters. Just imagine the amount of milk being produced at this place, Moga in Amritsar. It's 4,35,000 of liters. So not only for the wheat or rice, it is also one of the largest milk producing state also. Clear? Next important point, that is Dera Sahib. Now we'll understand this. Dera Basi in Ludhiana is called Manchester. It's known as Manchester. What is Manchester? Manchester, if I talk about, if in higher classes, in class 9th, you will study about French Revolution. There you study about this particular city called Manchester, and this city is known for clothing, the first industrial place. So clothing, the fibers, the best fiber we get is from Ludhiana, which is Dera Basi. Clear with this? Any doubt anyone is having till now? So let's study about the next points. Now Batla, again this is a place in Punjab only. Batla is known for cast iron. Which iron? Cast iron. Let us discuss about this. What is cast iron? Basically, how cast iron is different from normal iron. First of all, tell me, what is the symbol of iron? The symbol of iron is Fe. Now if I add 2% of carbon, what is the symbol for carbon? It's capital C. If I add 2% of carbon to iron, it is known as cast iron. And what is the speciality about this? It has lower melting point. Okay, so Batla non-forecast iron and mechanical machinery was once called the iron bird of India. Why? Because the maximum production of iron is happening in this particular state only. That is why iron bird of India. Clear? Next point, Mandi Gobindgarh Fatehgarh Sahib district is called the steel town as it has the largest number of steel rolling plants. What is steel rolling plant? If I discuss steel rolling plants, like it's we have to roll, if we have to make steel into a plain sheet, it is rolled there only. It is rolled there with the help of roller. We used to pass roller through this plate and it will be converted into a thin sheet of steel. That is why Mandi Gobindgarh of Fatehgarh Sahib district is the steel town as it has the larger number of steel rolling plants. Clear with this point also? Next, Khela Raipur Sports Festival. Okay, again, not only in the agriculture but Punjab stands in for the sports also. So let's study now this. Let's see the another field of Punjab which is sports. So Khela Raipur Sports Festival. It's one of the festivals. So Khela Raipur Sports Festival, if I talk about, popularly known as Rulers Olympics. Rulers Olympics. We heard about Asian Olympics. We heard about the World Olympics. This is first time I'm hearing even the Ruler Olympics. So yes, Ruler Olympics is held annually. What do you mean by annually? Annually means yearly. Once in an year it happens in Punjab. So what is the name of that sport? Please do remember, Khela Raipur Sports. Clear? Next point, the last point. Now, the highest number of car ownership per thousand population is in Chandigarh. Now, this is an important point. If you know about Sensex of India 2011, if I talk about, if you know about the population density means per area how many people are living. Similarly, if I talk about the car ownership, it's highest in Chandigarh, which is 82 cars per thousand. Understand the meaning of this line. It means out of 1,000 people, 82 possesses car. 82 people have cars with them, which is a great ratio, which is a great amount. It shows that why I was talking in the last video, the urbanness, the environment, the architect of Chandigarh. From here also we can conclude how urban Chandigarh is. The population, if I talk about maximum population, possesses the car, which shows the status of Chandigarh. With this, I end the video here only. I hope you would have enjoyed the video. In the next video, we'll study about Haryana. Till then, take care. Bye bye everyone.